Did you know your smartphone can recognize your face better than most humans? That's the power of computer vision, and today I'll show you how it works and how you can start using it in just a few minutes, even if you're brand new to AI. Welcome back to my channel, where we make AI, machine learning, and cloud tech simple and fun. If you haven't seen my AI-900 playlist yet, I would recommend to check those first before jumping onto this video. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a video that helps you level up your tech skills. So what is computer vision? At its core, computer vision is a branch of artificial intelligence that teaches computers to interpret and understand visual data, like images and videos. Think of it as giving machines the ability to see, analyze, and act based on what they see. Here's what computer vision can do. Image classification, such as, is this a cat or a dog? Object detection, such as, where is the car in this image? Facial recognition, such as, who is this person in the photo? Text recognition, read text from a photo. Image segmentation, separate foreground from background. It all starts with feeding an image into a model, often a deep learning model like a convolutional neural network. The model has been trained on millions of labeled images, so it can recognize patterns and make smart guesses. Now that you know what computer vision is, you might be wondering, where do I start? Great question. And one of the best places to begin is Microsoft Azure, specifically Azure Computer Vision. Why Azure? Easy, powerful, beginner-friendly. Here's why. No machine learning expertise required. Azure provides pre-built models you can use right away. Fully managed service. Azure handles the infrastructure. You just make API calls. Free tier available. You can start for free and pay only as you scale. Rich feature set, image analysis, OCR, facial recognition, adult content detection, and more. Whether you're building a mobile app, a website, or just experimenting, Azure Computer Vision gives you the tools to integrate visual intelligence without writing a single line of model training code. If this sounds awesome, go ahead and smash the like button. It helps the algorithm know you want more content like this. Let's jump into a live demo. I'll show you how to use Azure Computer Vision in under 5 minutes. Step 1. Create an Azure account and resource. Once your resource is created, go to the Keys and Endpoint section. You'll get an API key and endpoint URL. You'll use both to make requests. Step 2. Make your first API call. We'll use Postman, a free tool for testing APIs. Now let's analyze an image using the Analyze Image API. Sign in to Vision Studio in Azure, then you need to provide an image to process. We'll do OCR for images test, which is the ability to extract printed or handwritten text from images. On your screen, you see a handwritten note that we feed into Vision Studio to get required output in JSON format. Here's what the JSON response looks like. Azure just extracted the text from the given image, all in under a second. You can extract these kind of text from images using OCR, detect brands, or even recognize celebrities just by changing the API method. If you want a step-by-step written guide, drop a comment below with tutorial PDF and I'll send you the link. Let's recap what we've covered. Computer vision lets machines understand images and video. It powers everything from facial unlock to self-driving cars. Azure Computer Vision makes it easy to use, no ML degree required. You can analyze images, extract text, detect objects, and more with just an API call. Now it's your turn. Go to Azure, create your computer vision resource, and try analyzing your own photos. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss our next video. And finally, here's final question for the day. What would you build with computer vision? A smart security camera? An app that reads restaurant menus? Let me know in the comments. I read every single one. Thanks for watching.